In this video, I will show you how to invest in the S&P 500 on Revolut. To do this, first gonna open up the Revolut app and go to invest in the bottom. Now from there, what you want to gonna do is simply click trade. And here under ETFs, you can find the S&P 500, but as you can see, there are over 2,000 of them. So if you just search for 500, you will see a bunch of them show up. So there are a lot of different ones. Just find the one that you want to use. You can see you have all of these by Amundi, you have BNP. One of the more popular ones is the Vanguard S&P 500. So it's in alphabetical order. So down here you will find Vanguard S&P 500, which is the one that I'll do. So Vanguard S&P 500 ETF is the one I'll use. Now from there, you can then go and click on buy. Then here choose how much you want to buy. For example, I'll do €4.98 since that's what I have available. Then go and click on review, then submit. And after you submit it, the buy order will then go through. Now if the market is closed, it won't buy right now. The order will go through when the market is open. Currently it is open, so right now it is going to go through. If I now go to my invest section right here, you will be able to see that now, except for the 1 cent fee, I have €4.97 in the Vanguard S&P 500, which is one S&P 500 ETF on Revolut. But again, they have more. This is the one that I personally use. So now you know how you can invest in the S&P 500 in Revolut. Now, by the way, you can also set up a recurring buy by going to the sort of configure icon next to review, and from there click recurring buy and then click got it. Now here you can just do a weekly buy, for example, of €10, or for example, you can also make it daily or monthly, and you can choose when it starts, and then you can set the amount, and then in that time frame it will do a recurring buy of this ETF. So that's how to invest in the S&P 500 on Revolut. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.